The truth about HBA residuals, what they don't tell you. And before you think this is just another make money online pitch, let me stop you right there. I'm already in profit mode. 2 fresh sales hit my inbox, and one of them is about to pay me again. So we'll zoom in later so you can see the proof, but I'm not here to break down every email in my sequence. That's a 150 message SFW series. And it's the engine behind this. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you why most people misunderstand residual income affiliate marketing. And there's one shift that turned a trickle into a flow of work from home business. And here's the kicker, the part almost nobody talks about. Most people get this wrong, and it's costing them every single month. I used to think residuals were just a nice bonus until I saw how HBA's affiliate marketing pay plan actually rewards trust and consistency. This isn't theory, it's a home-based business opportunity that's built for long-term stability. If you've been told it's all about the front-end sale, you've been sold short. Residual income is not automatic, it's engineered, and that's the way HBA does it. And the way HBA does it flips its system on its head. First half of the secret word clue, write this down, freedom. When you combine a mentor-based affiliate system with a digital marketing strategy that's actually human, you stop chasing and start compounding. This is where the light bulb moment happens for most people. Stop thinking you need a 27-step funnel. Mine had 3 moving parts. That's it. And it managed to generate leads, traffic, and make sales while I was offline. That's the beauty of passive income streams done right. And no, you don't need a massive audience to make this work. If you've been burned before, this is where you can lean in, because the leverage here isn't in the hype, it's in the math. $25 internet marketing tools, and 80% commission to $20 a month, month after month after month. Those are residuals stacking behind it. That's a long-term affiliate strategy anyone can learn and earn with. That's the kind of math that makes coffee taste better. Here's the part they never put in the sales page. The real compounding happens when you stop chasing and start building trust-first funnels. We have an opt-in page, we have a bridge video, and we have 150 emails with the SFW system. Now, you want to build your email list, right? So I'm going to give you Simple Freedom Warriors if you join in the $25 level with me. I'm not giving it away, I'm paying for that. So I'm taking money out of my hard-earned my wallet, hard-earned money, and bringing you into the system. Now, why would I do that? Because I want you to succeed. I want you to build the team and realize your dreams. I don't know what your dreams are, but I'm trying to help you realize your dreams and fast track your success, okay? So I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is the email opt-in, right? You put your name, you put your email, your best email, and hit yes, I want in. That takes you to this page, which is the bridge page, right? Name, number, and tells me a little bit about my story. Then you hit yes, I want in. Takes you to Home Business Academy's page, right? And you join with me, and I'm going to give you my secret weapon, and I'm going to show you what that does right now, and show you actual ranking with that, right? This is not about me, this is about you and what you can do with this system, okay, if you just stay consistent. So I'm going to go to Home Business Academy. As you can see, I'm not signed in. DFY marketing system. And you can see there's a sponsored, so that's an ad, it doesn't count. There's the actual Home Business Academy site, and guess what? There's my Instagram post, another Home Business Academy products, so Home Business Academy site, and another Instagram post, right? And so you can see it's me. Look at me right now, okay? I'm going to click on this button right here. Boom. So I'm ranking on Google with Instagram posts. That's the power of our system, okay? And here's the video, right? We show you how to do this, and we teach you how to do this, okay? So let me see if there's any more. Before I move on. As you can see, though, I have, 2 of the top 4 posts. Sponsored, sponsored, that doesn't count. Sponsored, 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 3 ads. Then the actual site for the Home Business Academy, and then two pages on the site, and 2 of me, okay? Now I'm going to check Home Business Academy DIY marketing system on YouTube. Not Google, YouTube. And you can see I'm not signed in. This is the here's a sponsored ad, #1 video. So, and here's another one. This is from a day ago, right? And another one, and another one, and another one. This is today's video, and yet another one. See, this is the type of power that you can get if you just stay consistent and follow our training. Now, I'm giving you this on a silver platter. I'm taking my money out of my wallet and putting you in if you join the $25 level with me. And trust me, I have 2 people already take me up and join HBA, and 1 person I didn't even know had joined about 3 weeks ago, okay? And the other is just a couple days ago. He told me he was going to join. Here's a video on shorts from a team member, okay? Here's another video from me. Here's another team member, okay? Another video by me. And another, and another, and another, and another. Why? Because we teach you what other people don't teach you. I'm going to hand you this system on a silver platter if you just join HBA with me. This will build any online business for you, okay? Any online business. It doesn't matter if it's HBA or whatever it might be, okay? And it's the system here that is ranking everybody, including my own first video, was ranked within 3 minutes with no views, okay? Okay, so we're going to check another term, okay? You've already seen the Instagram. You've seen me rank, 2 and 4 on Google. You've seen me rank #1 on YouTube. So we'll check a different term. And this is a powerful one. So first I'm going to go to Google, right? Why HBA works for beginners. Okay, #3 post, 6 days ago. Let's see if I have any more. Move real quick. Alright, moving on. I'm 3rd? Yeah, 3rd. So we're going to go why HBA works for beginners. Sorry. Why HBA works for beginners. So we're going to copy and paste that, right? I should have done that in a different window. #1 video. I'm going to quickly go through this so I can see if anybody, because I want to show you the email proof before I forgot. Yesterday I forgot and didn't log back in to show you. And I ran out of time showing you how to import the funnel. So another video by me. Again, I'm looking for team members too. But I wanted to show you how hard this rank is to rank for. 35 views, right? Now that's an ad, so I'm the #1 video. Now look at this. 301,000 views, 202,000 views, 2.6 million views, 442,000 views. So right now it's 300,000 besides me. 3.7. That's the lowest amount so far. 2.3 million views. So we have a couple million, 69,000, and here's a view, one for me, 17 views, right? So very, very difficult to rank for. There's some powerhouse channels here. 170,000, okay? But yet I rank #1, right? And here, look, this is pretty cool. I'm not logged in, but my video from earlier today is showing in at the top. A recommended video, right? I'm not logged in. I think it's even right here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But this is the power of it isn't about what I can do. It's about what you and your team can do. We will train you and your team so you can duplicate our success, right? Okay, so Here's the payoff for sticking with me. And yes, the payoff, I mean payoff literally. Okay, I'm going to go to my email. Now, Wahoo, the HBA. I'm going to click on that so you can see, right? This is from 2 days ago. Someone you refer to the, way to go, John. Someone you refer to the HBA Academy just purchased a product, and that means as long as you own the product they bought, you earned a commission. Wahoo. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Do a little money dance. Pat yourself on the back and remember, you're on your way to freedom. Okay? Okay, and here's another one. So this was 2 days ago, right? And here's another one from what, August 21st, so that's 24 days ago. So I'm going to get paid again, right? This one I didn't even know I had, right? Way to go, John. Someone you refer to the home business product, blah, blah, blah. You're on your way to freedom. Paul, Mike, and HBA. And so you can see the HBA, homebusinessacademy.com. So there's no bullshit. This is 2 sales, so now I'm in profit. That is, what, $40 a month? I'm paying $25. So you can see how this is stack, okay? First sale, pay me once, and it's about to pay me again, right? So we're going to look at this thing August 21st. So we're getting close to September 21st, right? Second sale, that's pure proof that the funnel works without me being on 24/7, right? I was about to go to bed when it hit, and he told me about it the next day. Again, the first sale is about to pay me again. That's the power of residual income. This is pure proof that the funnel works without me being on 24/7. Which email in the 150 message SFW series triggered them? Doesn't matter. The point is, the machine works while I'm doing other things, okay? That is what an autoresponder does. It responds for you on automation, okay? It works for you 24/7. You set it up and it works for you continually. I'm personally covering your entry into a proven program. The program I showed you with those rankings, that's exactly what you learn. How to rank, how to do the simple steps to learn to reduce daily traffic leads and sales in whatever business you want. You will dominate leaderboards with that. You saw how many times I was ranking on YouTube and Google, especially YouTube. Okay, you can rank with your very first video, and you don't have to put yourself on camera if you don't want to. But look, this is a small ass window right here. Okay. Now I'm personally covering that entry into a proven program out of my own wallet, out of my own pocket. Okay. That teaches you how to generate leads, traffic, and make sales for any offer while building a team of trained affiliates and earning instant commission straight to the payment processor of your choice. I'm going to help you learn exactly what you need to do. All you gotta do, I'm gonna plug you in for free once you join HBA at the $25 level under me. I see you're with me, and hopefully you email me or let me know. But I'll check my email and let me know. Hey, I joined with you. Can I get that bonus? Because that bonus is straight gold. That bonus is everything you need to do to stand out. Okay, and we teach you how to do this right here. To make your own funnels, right? This is how you skip the trial and error phase entirely, okay? We have 150 emails in SFW, okay? That is, and if you do 1 a day, that's 5 months. If you do like 2, that's almost a full year of content, right? Every comment is the key. We're unlocking the next stage together. Remember those 2 sales I showed you? That's just the visible tip of 150 email follow-up engine. Second half of the secret word, write this down, stack. Put the 2 halves together and you got the full clue. If you've been watching quietly, this is your moment to speak up. Share your story, tag someone who needs to see this, and let's push forward to the next unlock. Okay? The truth about HBA residuals, what they don't tell you. Again, this is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighbor Solomon. And this could be you with sales if you get started. Don't delay. Get what Jay did today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.